AMZ Images is the perfect tool for you if you are into affiliate products with Amazon, because it allows you to fetch any product from Amazon through the native API that AMZ Images provide, and allows you to just insert them into any place you want to onto your own website. So stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how you can do that. Once you are logged into your WordPress website and you activated AMZ Images, then you need to fill in some credentials. So if we take a look, then we can go to settings and then we can go to insert AMZ Images. And from here, you will be able to insert your license key, your license secret key, and for the Amazon product advertising credentials, you will need to be able to provide your access key and your secret key. Once you've done so, you're basically good to go. So you can now go onto any page, onto any article, onto your website, and just go and embed your AMZ images. So let me show you how you can do that. It's really, really easy. Just go to pages, for example. So let's set up a test page. Let's call this demo. And then from here, we can start typing our content. So from here, we can then go to the bottom in the top right corner, add Amazon images. And then we can just search by keyword, or we can search by ASIN. We can also search by locale. And then you can search the index. So you can even search index by category, by topic. So let's just do a laptop search. Let's press search. We already had one. So we have a few laptops here, right? And the great thing about AMZ Images is you do not only fetch the main image, the main header image of the product on Amazon, but also all the other images, and you can just select one. So if you say I want this one, you can insert this inside the post. So you can provide different kinds of angles when you are reviewing this Amazon product. So you can go into full detail and just use the images that are already available through Amazon API. So this one could be the first one, and let's say this will be a large one. Insert into post, and then there you have it. So something like this. And the great thing is when this is pressed, so let's publish this. Let's go to publish and let's go to view the page. This is actually containing your Amazon, as you can see in the bottom left corner, it's containing your Amazon ID, so your Amazon affiliate ID. So once people purchase and press one of these images, it goes straight over to Amazon with your ID. So this is the perfect way, because sometimes you will forget your ID or you forget your affiliate link. Just fill it inside the backend once of AMZ Images, and it will automatically fetch and insert that ID for you inside of any image you fetch through the API. So as you can see, AMZ Images will really help you convert more people with your affiliate links. It automatically inserts the affiliate ID inside of any link you want to insert onto your own pages or your articles, and it really helps you save so much time doing so everything manually. So go grab yourself a copy of AMZ Images today and try it out yourself.